TELESIN Universal Tube Clamp. Hey guys, in this video, we're going to unbox this product. Check every accessory one by one, and I'll share my first impression along the way. So, let's get started. Right out of the box, everything looks neatly organized and well-packed. This is the safety lanyard. It's a simple but very useful accessory for extra camera safety. This is the main tube clamp. It feels premium in hand, and the rubber inserts help improve grip while protecting the handlebar. The locking mechanism also feels strong and easy to use. Now let's take a look at the double ball head. It lets you adjust the camera to almost any angle. Just loosen the knob, adjust it, and lock it in place. Next, we have the 1/4-inch ball adapter. It lets you mount compatible accessories. Here's the GoPro-style ball adapter. It makes mounting your camera quick and easy. Just attach it, and you're ready to shoot. Finally, we have the mounting screw. It keeps the camera secure. Just tighten it, and you're good to go. So, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next video.